Hey guys, it's Chris here. It's been a while since I made one of these vlogs because I've been very intentionally working on my podcast. That's where my focus is. But today we're heading out to Baxters Falls, and then after that a surprise location that I think you're gonna love. Maybe. So we're just about to leave. I'm not driving, which is amazing, but I just want to say that it is hot as hen out here. Like, I'm boiling. I'm supposed to be young hot. 40 degrees with humidex. Frig. Alright, so we made it here to Baxters Falls. It's right in the Bay of Fundy, so the tides are insane, and I'll just show you. Standing here, the fog is literally rolling in the bay. There's another waterfall, I guess, just 5 minutes from here. We're gonna check that out. Literally on this dirt road, and we were lost, and we were just saying, forget it, off the Blomidon. Alright, so we didn't find the waterfall we were looking for. We got lost. But we're here in Blomidon, and we're on this path that's beautiful, and there is a waterfall here. It's pretty small though. And then we're off to find a good look off in the park. So So, we're in Blomidon Park. We left the last waterfall, like the original one, which was Baxters Falls, to try to find Deep Black Falls, and we could not find it. Just going down dirt road, couldn't find that. Then we ended up in the park, and we found the next falls, which we saw, which was okay. If they did some work on that, it would be gorgeous, but it was nice. You saw it. And then we came here to this beach thing, and we couldn't figure out how to get here, like actually get down here. So we ended up going down these steps that there was a sign, do not go down these steps. So we did it anyway. Not a good idea. But now we're down here, and it's pretty cool. Looks like there's a cave down there. We're gonna head down and check it out. We were deceived. This cave is really no cave at all. It's just a big indent. Alright, this is really cool, guys. It's time to head back. Alright guys, we're home. I hope you enjoyed that episode, and I'll see you next time.